Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to set your Instagram post to private, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set your Instagram post to private, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And here on your profile, you will now be able to see all your Instagram posts, so just find the one that you want to set to private. So let's say that this is the post that you want to set to private for example, so to do that, just tap the post. And then you will be able to see the three dots icon beside the post, just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the More Options menu. This menu provides several actions you can take on your post, including turning it to private. So to turn your post into private, you just need to tap the archive option right here. So the archive feature allows you to hide posts from your profile without deleting them, so it's pretty much setting it to private. And after tapping it, it's done. The posts will now be hidden from your profile. And if you want to see your post again, just tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. And then you will be able to see the archive option, which is where all the posts that you've archived are collected, so just tap it. And after that, I want you to tap this. And then select Posts Archive. And then there it is guys. You will now be able to see all the posts that you've archived. And if one day you've decided that you want to turn this post into public again, just go and tap it. And then tap the Show on Profile option to completely set it into public again. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your post will now be public once again. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.